Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to customize your TFT display for Womir SK80 75% Team Mechanical Keyboard. So what you need to do is go to their website. Let's go from the beginning, which is womirkeyboard.com. Then go to the supports and software downloading. Then find the SK80. This is the version that I have, and there's a SK80 Pro. I think the difference is the number of keys here in the right side and the design. That's all. And once you click this image, any part of this image, it will automatically download the driver itself. Now what you need to do is to extract it and then install the software. Once you install it, the name of the software is XVX SK80 driver. So now these are the samples that I imported in their software. So in order for you to customize, to edit, you just need to go here, click this logo, the TFT logo, and let's say go back to the home. This is the customize key, and just go here in the TFT display. Let's say I want to make a new GIF here. I just need to click the import here. But before that, let's say I want to change it right now. Let's go to, let's say I want this GIF, right, from Dorohedoro. I recommend this website, which is easygif.com, to resize the GIF. So I downloaded it, and then I upload it here. I need just click in the resize and choose the file or copy the image URL. So upload. You need to click the upload once you imported the file. Let's just wait, and here we can set the width, which is 240 by 135. Width and height 240 and 135. Okay, this is the pixel. Then resize image. This is it now. Download it, save image, then download. So now we have a new GIF. So in order for you to upload it, but before that, before we upload, you can also crop the duration of GIF here. You know, once you uploaded the GIF, you can edit it frame by frame here also. So let's go back to the software, XVX SK80 driver, then find import, which is, this is the file. So in order to view if it's working, you can just click the preview button here. You cannot upload to keyboard while in the preview mode, so you need to go back to edit and upload to keyboard. So again, the requirement is max is 255 frames and 240 by 135. So right now we only have 36, but that's fine. I think you can also upload a single frame picture here if you don't want a GIF. Then in order to upload to keyboard, you just need to click here. Click the upload to keyboard. It takes time, depends on how many frames your image have. And that's it. That's how you customize your TFT display for Womir SK80 mechanical keyboard. Bye-bye.